Hello, welcome to Success Track TV. I'm TJ, and I'm so happy you found my channel. For today's video, I'd like to talk about the top 5 qualities of every successful person. Knowing and understanding the qualities of successful people will help you achieve your own dreams and goals. But the truth is that successful people have a different set of qualities and behaviors that they live by. If you study their unique qualities, you'll be off to a great start to achieving success in your own life. So if you want to know the top 5 qualities of every successful person, then you've come to the right place. This video will tell you more about the top 5 qualities every successful person has. But before beginning to get into this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying I subscribed. I'm trying to respond to as many comments as possible. Now, before I begin, I recommend that you watch this video till the end to really benefit from it and all the secrets that successful people have. So let me ask you a simple question. What do you need to do to become successful? If you're gauging your success based on other people's success, then you're probably thinking you'll also become successful, right? Let me tell you something. Success is relative, and many people have their own ways of achieving it. The good news is that you can study how other people have achieved their success. This can inspire you to do more and will ensure your own success. Successful people have 5 positive qualities that have helped them achieve their dreams and goals in life. If you want to know what these qualities are, keep watching this video all the way to the end. If you're serious about wanting to be successful, then you should work hard to improve yourself every day. Every successful person has their own secret to achieving their own personal dreams and goals, and what works for one might not work for you, but likely there'll be a lot of overlap. And you'll have your own too if you keep working at it. But if you want to start somewhere, here are some traits that can bring success into your life. Now, let me start with giving you tip number 1. You must have the following drives to be successful. You must be determined to work every day to achieve success. You will need to work harder than everyone else. You need to make sure to get things done and make daily progress. You need to have that inner drive to push yourself harder every day. Your goal should not just be to get things done, but to be able to learn in the process. Finally, take pride in the work that you do, and this will inspire you to keep doing more. Now, let's move on to tip number 2. Always try to be self-reliant. No one else is accountable for your success but yourself. You have to try to do things on your own, but at the same time, know when to ask for help. Balancing those 2 things will help you achieve success. Now here's tip number 3. You have to find the will to be successful. How do you inspire yourself to do more? You need to find that from within. Avoid procrastination, because that's not going to help you in any way. When you want something, you have to do something about it. Always remember, people who achieve their goals work very hard and stay focused on their goals. They remain consistent with the amount of effort that they put into their work. The will to do things rests in their desire to get things done. They're always inspired to do things because inspiration can keep going. Are you ready for tip number 4? Here it is. Be patient with yourself. Success is not an overnight thing. It takes some time to be successful. So be patient with yourself. No matter how long it takes, be prepared for what may come your way. A huge part of living a successful life is tackling the obstacles that come with it. For sure, there will be challenges that will test your confidence and your faith, but keep yourself focused on your goal. Your patience will pay off. Before I move on to tip number 5, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, so click the subscribe button to be notified of more inspiring videos. Now for the final tip. Keep your integrity intact. Integrity is a huge part of becoming successful. No matter what field you're in, keeping your integrity intact should always be your goal. Integrity is one of the best attributes that you can cultivate for yourself. With integrity, you'll always be reminded to choose to do what is right, no matter how difficult things get. So, what's your takeaway here? Nobody wants to end up being mediocre. Unfortunately, some people become mediocre because they fail to plan ahead. If you want to be successful in life, you need to make a plan. Once you've done so, live out your plan. Stick to it no matter what. Be determined to take advantage and take on any challenge that may come your way. Have the courage to do what others think you can't. Be fearless, but remember to keep the faith. You can only achieve success when you choose to believe in yourself. one last thing before you leave. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch the next video that's coming up. Thanks for visiting Success Track TV.